Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Xfinity user and want to access Peacock, you might be wondering where to find it or how to sign in properly. The good thing is that Peacock is integrated directly into Xfinity devices, but the steps can feel a bit confusing if you've never used it before. Some users expect to download it like a regular app, while others aren't sure how their subscription works with their Xfinity account. Depending on your plan, you may already have access included, but you still need to activate it correctly. Once you know where to go and what to select, you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies in just a few minutes. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Xfinity TV box and go to the main menu. Step 2. Use the remote voice button and say Peacock or search manually. Step 3. Open the Peacock app from the results. Step 4. Sign in using your Peacock or Xfinity account credentials. Step 5. Follow the on screen steps to activate. Step 6. Start browsing and streaming your content.